NASA Spacecraft MBSE with SysML, missions to Mars. Welcome to another episode of Tonex Training.
Did you know recently NASA has used an MBSE and SysML approach of missions to Mars? That is really interesting one. That was including the recent successful Mars landing of the Perseverance Rover. NASA officially says the Mars 2020 flight system adoption of MBSE methodologies was to enable conquering of common systems engineering. SE challenges experienced on MSL is an ongoing effort. Challenging undertaking. Spacecraft systems engineering like that undertaken by NASA is a challenging undertaking. NASA is especially interested in innovative model-based systems engineering, MBSE, methods and tools to define, design, develop, analyze, execute and to validate the future missions. Spacecraft Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, with SysML training. Learn about developing SysML diagrams of a small satellite system of systems, SOS, using MBSE. Modlio open source tool to analyze and construct SysML models, calculations and execute parametric simulations. Spacecraft Model-Based Systems Engineering, MBSE, with SysML training. Presented by Tonex Training. Visit course link on www.tonex.com.